Let's turn now to Weather Watch 12. It is an impact day. Meteorologist Molly Bernard is here tracking some afternoon storms.
And it's dry right now, so if you want to get outside, we still have a little bit of time in southeastern Wisconsin, but there is a chance that some of the storms that move in this afternoon could be strong to severe. So from now until about 1 o'clock, I think we're mostly dry. There's a chance for a few pop-ups that'll make it into our western counties by 1, but between 1 and 5, it looks like more isolated to scattered storms after 5 o'clock. I think we'll start to see storms develop into a line and then roll through southeastern Wisconsin. After 9 o'clock, between 9 and midnight, we should really dry out. The severe threat should drop after sunset. Satellite and radar right now, there is a big cold front stretching its way across the country. There's development in western and central Wisconsin, also another storm complex that's bringing severe weather for areas way down to our south. But this is what you need to know. Between 1 and 5 o'clock today, it's mainly isolated storms, some of which could be strong to severe, but we'll have breaks in the activity. Then we'll see more widespread storms roll through between 5 and 10. The biggest concern today, hail and damaging winds, but I can't rule out, just because of how the atmosphere is set up right now, that we could have a brief isolated tornado develop. So make sure you have ways to get watches and warnings as we head through this afternoon. Much of southeastern Wisconsin is in the yellow. That's a risk 2 out of 5 for severe weather. What that means is overall, not every storm that we see will likely be severe, but we have the potential for some stronger storms. Right now, the threat is a little bit lower, closer to Lake Michigan, but everyone has a chance for some strong storms. Part of why is we've seen quite a bit of sunshine and dry time. The clouds did not fill in, and temperatures are warming up. 73 in Milwaukee, 72 in Waukesha, but it's already 78 degrees in Madison. Whitewater, 78 degrees in Kenosha, and temperatures are going to continue to climb for a few more hours until those storms really roll in. 82 degrees for high inland. I do think we still have a chance. Milwaukee gets closer to 78 degrees this afternoon. Storms looking likely on and off through the afternoon and evening. Mostly dry tomorrow, but there's a potential for a few pop-ups around Wednesday. Another chance for some storms, mainly in the morning hours. Then we dry out a really nice dry stretch and a mild stretch in the forecast Thursday through the weekend. Here's Futurecast. Notice we're starting to see just a few of the pop-ups. Models aren't handling what we're seeing out there right now well, but I do think as we head towards 2 o'clock, more storms across southeastern Wisconsin with larger activity off to our west. That will continue to move in through the mid and late afternoon, and we'll see widespread storms across most of the area as we head through the evening, and then we'll dry out overnight tonight. A mix of sunshine and clouds for the day tomorrow, but notice one little isolated storm there at 1 o'clock. So I do think we'll have a chance for a few pop-ups tomorrow afternoon. The bigger risk for severe weather, or for at least some stronger storms and more widespread rain, that will come as a line moves through Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. So today, it's afternoon storms, some of which could be on the strong side. So make sure you have ways to get watches and warnings to you. All kinds of severe weather are possible, but hail and damaging winds are the biggest concern. Low 80s heading into tomorrow, mostly dry, but maybe a few pop-ups in the afternoon. Storms look likely early on Wednesday, and then we dry out. Those low 70s, the sunshine looking nice at the end of the week.
Yeah, perfect southeast Wisconsin weekend ahead of us. Yeah,
that's definitely something to look forward to.
Yeah, Molly, thank you.